after the end of one more interview with Kiran.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So you just listen, okay?
Okay.
So we have one more participant. Kiran, are you there?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Yeah, fine, sir. Good evening.
Okay, good evening.
Yeah.
I just want to check with you. What is your introduction? Okay, and the roles and responsibilities of your previous projects.
Yeah, this is Sai Kumar, sir. I'm from Mumbai, as you said, and I have a hands-on experience of 4+ years as FICO S4HANA consultant,
Mm-hmm.
and I have worked for one implementation project and two support project.
Okay, fine.
And my roles and responsibilities, and I acted in month-end activities and year-end activities and day-to-day ticketing issues, clearing ticketing issues.
Okay. So
Uh,
you are involved in the support project, right?
Yeah, support project. Yes, sir.
So tell me what kind of critical tickets that you have faced or that tickets may be more challenging to you. So tell me that how you have solved.
So especially in asset accounting,
Mm-hmm.
they wanted to they wanted to upload a new asset which was purchased 3 months before or closed periods, which was acquired in closed periods, but they want to record in this period, but they want to run the depreciation. They are unable to run. For that, we suggested them to go with the unplanned depreciation run.
Okay.
Because for planned depreciation, we have to run for the very first period which was closed,
Okay.
and in billing we have the we have the different payment terms are selected at the time of at the time of recording the billing document, and as per as you see in master data,
Okay.
there are two different payment terms are involved.
Mm-hmm.
They wanted to change the payment term after the billing document is generated.
Okay.
So
So
it is not possible. We told them to cancel the billing document and make the billing document again.
okay.
Then we can change the payment term in the billing document from very first beginning.
So in billing document there is a problem with payment term or payment method.
Payment terms, payment term.
Payment terms.
Yeah.
So so payment terms will be involved in the sales order, right? At the time of sales order creation, they was given some payment term,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and your client wants to change the another payment term in the billing.
Yes, sir. It is different from the master data.
Okay. So if it is different from the master data, we can also change it, right?
Yeah, we can also change it, but after preparing the billing document, we cannot possible to change the payment term which was in invoice.
Okay.
So we
Okay.
suggested them to cancel the billing document and to change the payment term in invoice level.
Billing document is already created or it's not created.
It's created, sir. It's created.
Okay. So you ask the end user so to
Cancel
re-
the billing document and reprocess the procedure.
okay. So then goods issue also cancelled, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me other issues also. Tell me what are the issues you feel that was challenging.
There is one more issue, sir. On vendor document was posted,
Mm-hmm.
and the credit memo has also posted for the same document, but
Okay.
without payment term,
Mm-hmm.
and it's showing the zero balance in the vendor account.
Okay.
But when while we running the APP program, it's showing the balance of the credit document of the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
It is not considering the debit document. Everything is clear, and there is no issues at all. But
Mm-hmm.
it is not picking the debit document. It picking only credit document. So we maintain the payment term in the vendor credit memo also. It got resolved. The,
Okay. So instead of this payment terms, have you worked on FITMM integrations or SD integration?
yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
FITMM integration.
Sir, can you come again?
Have you involved in FIDMM integration issues?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me what are the issues you have faced in the support project?
Whenever they actually, while we're working under COVID condition, they are introduced to new material types and new materials. Valuation class was not defined for that, and the account determination has not been assigned to those material types.
Okay.
Few of those issues, sir.
Okay. So tell me what are the factors you should consider while assigning the GL accounts in OBIC?
So movement type and material type and valuation class, valuation modifier and general modifier. Basing on these, we can assign the and transaction keys. One more transaction keys.
Tell me what is the difference between valuation modifier and general modifier?
Valuation modifier is a combination of company code, plant and material types. Valuation class.
No, I'm asking valuation modifier.
Yeah, valuation modifier is a combination of company code and plant and valuation class.
Grouping code, right? Valuation
Yes,
modifier.
yes, sir, it's a grouping code.
Certain materials are grouped together.
Yes,
Here we can set up this configuration, valuation modifier. Uh, say valuation modifier configuration will be there, right? So it is linked with the plant and the chart of account.
yes, yes,
What is
sir.
the report for that?
We need to have the valuation modifier factor. We actually consider X.
Yeah, fine. What is the T code where we can set
OB,
up
GBB or OMWD, sir. OMWD.
MWT1? Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Uh, Tell me some general modifiers list.
General modifier, sir. For the transactions, for the transaction key GBB, which was offsetting account. So we use the valuation general modifier for the account determination of GBB,
Okay,
which is material issued to production and material cost of goods sold.
okay.
For this, sir, I remember as of
Issued to production. What is the journal entry?
uh, inventory account credited to issued to production account, sir.
What is the journal modifier over there?
Sir, I can't say certainly,
Goods issue journal entry.
sir.
Goods issue to the customer. What is the journal entry?
Goods issued to the customers. Inventory account,
No,
inventory of
Cost
finished
of
goods.
cost of goods sold account to inventory, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
For cost of goods sold, what is the general modifier?
GBB,
For
GBB, sir.
what we need to take in OBIC?
It
Okay,
was
what is the
V.
modifier?
So
We
I didn't remember certainly, sir, about GBB offsetting accounts. Maybe it was VBR or I didn't remember.
VAX.
Yeah, okay, VX.
Okay. Fine. So have you involved end-to-end implementation S4HANA?
Yes, sir.
So which methodology?
It was greenfield methodology.
Okay, greenfield, right? Tell me
Yes,
what
sir.
are the pages?
Sir, can you please skip this issue? I didn't prepared well on greenfield methodology.
Okay. So have you prepared activate SAP methodology?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me how many phases are there?
There are 5 phases, sir.
Okay, what are the phases?
Project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, and go live and support.
Okay. Tell me which phase you have involved.
Yeah, I'm involved from scope document, business blueprint to go live, sir.
What are the configurations you have performed in the development?
So in the development, I used to work on GL, AP, and AR and asset accounting configuration level, master data configuration level.
What are the major differences between ECC to S4HANA?
So universal zonal concept has been introduced,
Okay.
and various tables has been removed, and AC Doka table has been introduced,
Asset,
replacing all those.
tell me some asset accounting tables which has been replaced with AC Doka.
ANLA, ANLP, ANLC,
Okay. So is BKPF
Black Flex. Sir?
is BK PF has been changed or not?
No, sir. BKPF has been there. Line items level AC Doka table.
Okay. So how many currencies that we can define in SAP S4HANA?
In ECC, we can define up to 3 currencies. In S4HANA, we can define up to 10 currencies.
How many currencies assigned to ledger, material ledger concept?
Max material ledger, three currencies, sir, as I know.
What is the purpose of material ledger?
Sir, purpose of material ledger.
Yeah.
To know the material inflows and outflows.
Okay. What is the purpose of material ledger concept in SAP S4HANA? Is it optional or mandatory?
It's mandatory, sir. We have to activate a material ledger.
So once we activate the material ledger, what is the price determination we will take? Price determination field will be there in the material master, right? So
Yes,
accounting.
sir.
What
Yes,
is the
sir.
price determination? 2 or 3 will be take. Which one?
So I can't say certainly about it.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So
But
having
pricing procedure is it related to SD or something else?
no. I'm asking Metal Master. We have accounting view tab, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that the metal ledger activation field will be
Yes.
there. Okay.
Yeah.
Near that there is a price determination field will be there. Okay. So if you take two price means it's a transaction based. Okay.
Okay.
So that means metal ledger actual costing has been activated.
Okay. Okay. So I didn't remember.
What are the T codes to activate the metal ledger?
CKM start and few other also OPP. I didn't remember the remaining T
Okay,
codes.
okay, fine. Um, tell me new asset accounting configurations.
Yeah, chart of depreciation is the main part of asset accounting. We have to define chart of depreciation in EC08, and we have to assign it to um, company code in OAOP.
Okay,
And non-taxable acquisition, we have to define tax codes
okay.
in OBCL.
Mhm.
Then we have the account keys, sorry, account determination and layout, and then we define asset classes. In
Okay,
asset classes, we allot we assign a account determination and account number range, asset number range, and
okay,
the asset design layout.
okay, okay. Tell me what are the reconciliation GL accounts in asset accounting?
There are vendor reconciliation account and customer reconciliation account. In S4HANA, asset accounting also has a reconciliation account. It acts as a technical clearing account, is also act as a reconciliation account.
Okay,
And for cash accounting also
fine.
there is a reconciliation account.
All assets or the reconciliation GLs.
Yes, sir. So no, all assets are not reconciliation GL, sir.
Okay, so tell me which were not reconciliation GLs. Which is GL is
Sir,
reconciliation
for bank account is not a reconciliation.
related to asset accounting.
A depreciation.
Okay, fine. Uh, tell me what is the difference between smoothing and catch-up method?
So if there is any difference in depreciation charging over the last closed years, we are charging over it to over the remaining periods of the year. It can be called as smoothing. If we charge the very next period of the of the following month, then it is called catch up method, sir. In S4 HANA, there is no smoothing, only catch up is there.
Okay, fine. Tell me how the asset under construction settlement will happen.
Sir, through in a internal order,
Okay.
and it was I have to explain in internal order processing.
Yeah.
It was internal order type is also the main part. We can define the internal order types in KOT2 and internal order creation KO01.
Okay.
We can create a internal order. Then we assign we charge the expenses to that internal order in while we posting the entries.
Okay.
While creating a KO in KO02, we can define the settlement procedure, whether it is based on a costing center or costing element or asset. And for settlement procedure or settlement structure, we have to define in KO06.
KO double eight, right?
Sorry, KO no sir. For settlement KO88. For
Okay.
settlement structure KO06 or KO06.
Mhm.
I didn't remember certainly.
Okay, fine. Tell me
So
FI to SD integration related stuff.
so I go these are based on the factors like application, whether it is sales or the sales reduction, and condition, whether it is KOFI or KOFK.
What is the difference
And
between KOFI and KOFK?
KOFI, it's particularly accounting purpose. KOFK including costing.
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Application condition type. What is next?
And few other also there, sir. And I didn't remember a few other chart of accounts and material types.
Account decimal group for material.
Yeah, and account keys.
Okay. Account key. After that, what is the next field? Final field.
Yeah, I didn't remember everything, sir.
Accruals for rebates. Okay.
Yeah.
For rebates, accruals will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rebates and deductions. Okay. So, do you know LSMW?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what kind of steps we need to follow while uploading the GL master or vendor master? Okay, from non
So
SAP.
we follow the batch input method, sir.
Okay.
In that we have the 14 steps,
Mm-hmm.
and there is a process steps of we have to follow. Creation of defining object.
What is the difference between assign file and read file in LSMW?
So can you please come again, sir? Assigned file and read file.
Yeah.
Assigned file, we have to upload the file, and read file, after reading the file, uploading the file, we can see the file, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, have you involved in EBS end-to-end configurations?
Not much, sir.
Okay. Tell me what are the formats generally used for uploading the bank statement in SAP S4HANA?
MT940 format we use generally in my companies I have worked.
Okay. What is the T code for uploading the file format in SAP?
FF_5.
Okay. For example, if I upload any file program into SAP system, so that was incorrect file, then how you can rectify that issue?
There is a program buffer program is there.
Tell me that name.
RFE BK96.
Okay. Do you know what is search strings?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between search strings and interpretation algorithm?
Interpretation algorithm is a clearing logic, sir.
Mhm.
For example, interpretation algorithm 20 or 21 is based on the document number on the format. On the document number only, it clear the documents. Like set strings, it searches for the particular term
Okay.
in the format.
So have you involved in RISE?
No, sir.
RISE objects.
Yeah, as I was a fresher, I wasn't involved that much into RSS, sir. After that, enhancement has been enhancement. I have worked on enhancements.
So you have worked on enhancement, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me one enhancement and how the FS document should be prepared.
We have the fixed template for the functional specification document, and of that, we have the all categories, like how many hours we have to work on, how many who are the persons who have to involve, and what are the works have to be done, and what are the as is and to be details, and how we going to work. These are the details, and what are the factors we need, and what are the tables we have to work on, and what are the value fields we need to do, and what is the logic we have all to we have to create all these things in a function FS document.
Okay, so you were involved in the enhancement, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
which enhancement?
So I didn't prepared well on that. Can you please skip
Okay,
this?
okay, fine. Okay, fine. And tell me what are the configurations are there in the EBS?
Accounting symbols first thing,
Mm-hmm.
creation of accounting symbols, then defining posting rules, posting defining posting rules, and assigning symbols to posting rules,
Mm-hmm.
and external transaction create defining external transaction types,
Okay,
and assigning external transaction types to account symbols,
okay.
and
Tell me some examples of account symbols.
external account transactions or account symbols.
Symbols only.
Symbols, we maintain the main account, and check payment account, check clearing account, check in and check out account, and online clearing account, like charges account charges account, payment charges or annual charges or account. We will maintain different accounts for transactions, sir.
Okay, for check outgoing payment, we need to select open item management indicator.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how this cleared after uploading this file program? After uploading the file, so system will clear check-ins, check-outs, right? So
Yes,
what
sir.
is
While we're making the payment to a vendor, it posts the entry like a vendor account debited to check outgoing account. It is a open item account. While we uploading the bank statement, it posts an
and
sir.
how the system will understand? That's fine. I understand the journal entry, but how the system will understand once upload the file format, system will understand, right? So on what basis? System will understand this is the checkout outgoing, this is check-in coming, and then how it would be clear.
Yeah, it is based on the transaction type, external transaction type. It is a NTR, FRA, NPay, NCHQ, or check payment or online transfer. Which was in the line item of statement.
Okay. So how the service procurement will happen? Do you know any idea?
No, sir, I have no idea on it.
Okay. Okay, fine. This is end of the interview. Thank you very much, Kiran, for attending this session. Ria, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So, how this interview session?
Mean, sir? What
Like,
did you mean, sir?
yeah, like he answered so many questions, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so he is my trainee.
Okay.
He answered all of the questions almost. Okay, but
Okay.
anyhow, okay, the preparation is very important. Okay, so
Okay.
today I will give you some tips and tricks to crack the interview. So, how to